Good morning, students. Today our topic is opposites. What is an opposite? Opposites are word pairs that are related but totally different in meaning. Or, an opposite is when two words contradict each other. Or, we can say a person, thing, or a thing that is totally different from or the reverse of someone or something else. Like tall and short. Tall is the reverse of short and short is the opposite of tall. Large and small. Here large is the opposite of small and small is the opposite of large. Moving to our next example, wet. The opposite of wet is dry and the opposite of dry is wet. Day and night. They are contradict each other. Day and night. Contradict and opposites means the same. Heavy, light. Heavy means which is heavy in weight and light means which is light in weight. Stop and the opposite of stop is go and go is the opposite of stop. Good and bad. Good means a good person or good anything that is good. Bad is the opposite of good and good is the opposite of bad. Left and right. Left and right. Left is the opposite of right and right is the opposite of left. Near. Near means closer and far means far away. Anything that is near or closer we can say it's near, and when the thing is far away and the distance is more we can say it's far away. So near is the opposite of far. Hot, when anything is hot, or in summers we have hot days. Cold, when the days are cold. So hot is the opposite of cold. Like there is one more example here about hot and cold, that is summer and winter. Summer is the opposite of winter and winter is the opposite of summer. Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Fast is the opposite of slow and slow is the opposite of fast. On and off. On, off, or we can say off, on. Under, over. Under, over. Under is the opposite of over and over is the opposite of under. Many. Many means more in quantity and few means lesser in quantity. Many and few. When there are more in quantity we say there are many things. When the things are lesser in quantity we say there are few things. So they both are opposite to each other. Open, close. Open, like I will tell you one word here, open the door. That means open the door. And when I say you close, that means shut the door. So these two are opposite. Open is the opposite of closed and closed is the opposite of open. Up and down, going upstairs and coming down stairs. Up and down, they both are opposite to each other. In, to be in something, and out, to come out from something. Asleep, when you are in sleep, that means asleep, and when you are not sleeping you are awake. So these are opposite to each other. Strong, weak. Strong is opposite of weak and weak is the opposite of strong. Cheap. Cheap and expensive. Cheap means which is affordable or which is less in rate, and expensive is that thing which is not affordable to anyone or which is more expensive. So cheap is the opposite of expensive and expensive is the opposite of cheap. Front and back. Like I will tell you the front cover of your book and the back cover of your book. They are both opposite to each other. Yes and no. Yes is opposite of no and no is opposite of yes. So what are opposites? Opposites are the word pairs that are related but totally different in meaning, or a person or thing that is totally different from or the reverse of someone or something else. Or we can say an opposite is when two words contradict each other. Thank you so much. This was all for today. Have a nice day.